I'm back with part 2 now. I have to go into parts because of the file format and my internet connection speed's not that great today, so I'm going to have to do it in parts. As you can see, we have this. An exciting look. Windows XP Professional sports a visual design that combines a sleek look, clean lines and appealing colours with a task-oriented design and especially streamlined navigation. It will not take 39 minutes. Well, it never did to my past setups anyway. While we're waiting, why don't you read this? Installing devices. This is part of the installation of Windows. See, now that's gone 37 minutes down. And how long has that been? That was not even 2 minutes. And if you struggle to install any Windows operating system or Linux, please contact me in one of the description blogs or whatever on YouTube. I don't know what it is. I'm just here to post videos and just make people know how to do this. Not here for any, just to show people what to do. If you get a ISO file off the internet and you get it for free, it don't come with a product key. What I suggest you do is find a product key, but on websites they are ungenuine. So once the computer's powered up and everything, you've entered that product key, you need to turn off Windows updates. You cannot get Windows Media Player 11 because that asks you to validate Windows and it will be an ungenuine copy. Unless you buy a Windows XP license or you have one. So that is really one of the good operating systems Microsoft ever really launched. Get support for the latest hardware and software. Windows XP Professional supports a large number of programs and has built-in support for the latest hardware. You can read the rest. Easily move documents and personal settings to a new computer. If you had a computer for a while, you probably gotten it set up the way you like. Files are organised a certain way. You have bookmarked a long list of favourite websites and you've customised your desktop just the way you want it. Surfing the internet, safe, fast and flexible. Back in that time, it was the most secure version of Internet Explorer, but because I'm doing this video 2014, don't know what date it is, but it's 2014 somewhere. The support's already ended for XP, so it's past April, I think. I think it's August the 15th, this video. Don't know, but it's not up to date. But what you can do for the updates is, because if it's ungenuine, you can still upgrade your IE 6 or 7, I don't know what it comes with, but you can update it to IE 8, or you can get a different browser that's out and all that. Okay, Windows XP Professional Setup. Regional and language options. You can customize Windows XP for different regions and languages. Option this allows you to change the way numbers and dates in currencies and time and display. You can also support for the additional languages and change your location settings. The standard format is set into English United States, location is in United States. To change these settings, click Customize. Well, because I'm not in the United States, we've got to change this to the United Kingdom. That's where I am, and the location is, where is it? United Kingdom for me. Languages, that's fine. So if we just press OK, so new set to English and that, and yeah, right. Text input languages allow you to enter text in many different languages using a variety, oh, I can't say that word, of input methods and devices. Your default text input language and method is US keyboard layout. Well, because I've got an English keyboard, I've got to change that, haven't I? So I'll just remove this US, press OK, and just ignore this bit, just press OK, because the computer will restart and it will recognise it as a UK. The name, well, I'm just going to put mine as the PC person. That is what, oh, that didn't obviously work. The PC person. Right, computer name. You got the PC per, or you can just change that. I don't know. Yeah, right. You can type an administrator password. I'm not going to bother with this, but you can. Time set, so it'll just think I'm near this area anyway. London, automatically, and that tells you time. And then explore your creative side with photos. We get back to this bit. We installed a network connection. It will ask me in a sec or something, I think, but it don't ask me for a product key. I think you can search up. I think you can search up Windows XP ISOs that are integrated, so they don't need a product key. But if you were really that desperate for Windows XP or something like that to test out, and you couldn't afford it, well, there's other sites where you can get them off, like Pirate Bay, Torrents, all that, but I didn't get mine from that. Mine's a disc. Genuine disc for, so mine's my product key at the easy install thing, so don't bug me, but you can get integrated ones. Now I wait. Now the network's installed. Well, nearly installed anyway. Oh, do you want this computer to be a member of a domain? Well, you only do this if you do have a domain. You just put it in there, so I could just type in whatever I like, so just go the PC person, but I can't because that's not a good domain, so it won't work. So if we just go this, and this will be a work group. I call my work group, obviously, work group, just like that. Press next, copying files, pause this, and that's the end of part 2.